2 Ferraris, 2 Bentleys, a brand new Rolls. Not exactly the cars you'd expect to see in the driveway of the guy who used to pump your gas. But when an Indian immigrant traded his small village for Big Apple ambition, he managed to turn a single service station into a billion-dollar behemoth. Meet Harry Singh.
What's going on? My name is Harry Singh. I'm the president of Bolla Oil Corp. I'm a company of convenience stores in Long Island, New York.
Taking care of some deep cleaning, store's doing good.
I started this company from 1 gas station, 4 mechanics, 2 cashiers, 6 people, and I grew this company into now a billion-dollar company just in 25 years. Great job.
Over the last 5 years alone, Bolla Oil Corp has made combined revenues of $3.3 billion. Yeah, billion with a B.
No, I did not have a dream that I would ever be a millionaire.
And how could he, when he started out with next to nothing?
I was born and grown up in a small village called Surampur in Punjab, India. About 1,500 people population, consists of all farmers. And I always had a desire to migrate to this greatest country of the world, in the United States of America.
So Harry scraped together $50, said goodbye to small-town farming, and struck out for New York City.
First day I landed here in the most famous city of the world, in New York. I was somewhat scared, but not knowing what I was going to do to make a living.
But guys like Harry don't let a little fear get in the way, so he kicked his job search into high gear.
I started driving a taxi, which I heard from people they were making good money. When I used to take my car for repairs, most of the repair shop you go to, you waited in the line to get your car serviced. There's always cars waiting to get work done.
While his fellow cab drivers saw an annoyance, Harry saw an opportunity.
So I decided to go to school to qualify as an auto mechanics. And once I'd done my certifications, I bought my first station in Brooklyn. This is the repair shop where I started working 25 years ago. Being a mechanic, fixing cars, getting dirty was no surprise to me, whatever it takes. I had to find a way to build a new customer base. I learned by cross-promoted. When people were shopping at us for gasoline, we give them coupons and promotions to bring them in to get their oil change done, get their brake job done, or get their tune-ups done. And it was successful. I brought home $76,000. That was my first year annual income. And we continued, saved whatever we could save from the business. I bought my second station, third station, fourth station. Within the first 5 years, I had about 8 sites, and I continue moving forward, doing very well and growing and building, buying new stations.
But a change in the auto repair industry threw a wrench into Harry's budding empire. Newer high-tech cars meant fewer breakdowns, and when they did need fixing, they went back to the dealer.
In 2001, that was one of the worst years in auto repairs for us. We lost 15% in the auto repair side of the business. When I first started, gasoline was never a main way making money for the business. The auto repair was the place that made the most amount of money. We had to continue find those revenues. I was definitely very stressed, kind of put me and shook me up, and I don't know where to go from there. I went looking for another opportunity. So we started building convenience store in 2002. Because convenience store was a new thing, new offering on a gas station that had worked in other states. This station was consist of repair shop and auto accessories. This was no food, no coffee, or no snacks were sold here. Today, space that's basically made no money. Today, this space generates anywhere about $40,000 to $50,000 a monthly in sale.
But 50 grand a month is pocket change compared to Harry's big idea, opening his own fuel distribution center.
Bolla Oil Corporation was created in 2004, so we could have bought, purchased product at the best cost available in the market by becoming a wholesale distributor.
When you control every aspect of your business, low costs mean huge profits. Yeah, Harry's a pro at making money, but he's even better at spending it.
This is my home. Beautiful build, custom, 22,000 square feet. You can call it a house, you can call it a mansion. Grand Stairs, engineered and designed in the US and built in Spain, and brought in one piece all hand molded. We spend close to $1 million in the total stairways. It's been hand carved. Fireplace that came from Italy. You have 20-karat gold leavings. Artwork done on the walls. You look at some artworks that was done by very special artists that we brought across the world, have done our work in Rome, Vatican's, restoring the Michelangelo work. Another special room in a house we call a formal party room, a beautiful bar, game room. This party room, we probably put in over $1 million plus building, furnishings, beautiful stonework. The second most important space in the house, this special secret room. That this car garage where I put my favorite 2 Ferraris and Rolls Royce, couple of Bentley. We basically designed this lift ramp for us, so which will allow us to put the car on the lift, take the cars downstairs, and park the 3 cars downstairs. So now 3-car garage basically become in a 6-car garage. I have enjoyed being successful. This country is a land of opportunities. I left my country to better my life, and I've been very pleased. I can't tell you how humbly I'm appreciated having that opportunity in this country to be what I am today.